Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim Reza. Today I am going to review Buy Me a Coffee. This is a very great tool. As a content creator, I am using these tools almost 1 years, and this is so amazing for getting support from my viewer. So, as a YouTube content creator, I always try to publish useful video for my audience, and sometimes if they want to thank me, they actually buy me a coffee for me. Okay, so this is the platform where someone want to help you or support you, they can easily do that. And let me show you how you will get. Okay, so this is the supporting section, guys. Give your audience an easy way to say thanks. So if you are a content creator like me and if you want to extra income, then these tools will help you, because this is easy way where your viewers will help you. You can see Buy Me a Coffee makes supporting fun and easy. In just a couple of taps, your fan can make the payment, buy you a coffee, and leave a message. So, this is the interface how the copy will show. And this is not the only thing that your supporter only send you the copy. With that, you can launch your membership fans club. So that's mean if someone want to send you money every month, you they can do that. You can launch the pro membership support, and they will send you money every month, and then you will use their shop. This is the complete e-commerce system. You can sell your digital product, and the checkout method is very easy and simple. The things you would like to sell probably do not belong in a Shopify store. Shop is designed from the ground up with creator in mind. Whether in a one-to-one Zoom call or commission or ebook, shop is for you. And you can publish your best work with this Buy Me a Coffee. Publish free and exclusive content. Try different formats such as audio and make it members only to drive more membership. So that's mean if you are creative and want to share your work for your member only, then you can do that, and your member will pay monthly basis. And here you can see this is designed for creators, not for businesses. Okay, so whether you are YouTube content creator, Facebook content creator, or TikTok content creator, you can use these tools and you can extra money with your content creation journey. And let me go inside of Buy Me a Coffee and show you how it's exactly work. In earning section, you can see here is $5 is now available, and my one supporter send me this coffee, and beside that I have made some extra money. You can see for P2P consultancy with these tools. I am going to show you with these tools what else I am going to show you. So guys, as you can see, this is the section. You can make digital product, you can charge Instagram close friend, you can charge for one-to-one Zoom call, you can sell ticket for event, even you can sell some physical goods with it. And if I show you my store, here you can see this is my store. If someone visit this link, and they will actually find this page, and they can send me coffee. And this is my shop tab where I am selling P2P consultancy 1 hour, because I am a digital marketer as well. So that's why I keep this option to sell my consultancy to my audience. And here you can see I am selling the PSD Photoshop mockup box for digital product. I am selling some Shopify store link. I am selling a WordPress builder and another Shopify store link. So I just try to start my digital product selling business. That's why I work with Buy Me a Coffee, and I am pretty happy because with this Buy Me a Coffee I can make extra money. If you want, definitely you can start your Buy Me a Coffee with your content creation. So this is amazing tools, guys. You should try it. You don't have to pay any extra money for using Buy Me a Coffee. Only they will charge when you get paid from your network or your audience. So that's why I love it. They has no monthly membership plan and it's always free. So that's actually I wanted to show you how you can make money as a content creator with you beside your content creation. And if you found this video was useful, then you can hit the thumbs up or you can subscribe to my channel because it will also helpful. And here you can see this is the another button called nasim.cc/bio. This is actually my bio page and where I integrated that link, buy me a copy. So when someone come and they can buy me a coffee for me. So this kind of bio page you can integrate in your all social media platform bio link, and with one link your visitor will browse many couple of link on the same page. So that is the idea, guys. You can start and you can follow, and I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye, have a great day.